So let me share the screen, guys.
Yeah, okay.
Fine. Is it fine for you? Is it visible to you guys? We will
Yes.
start the session. So yesterday, what we have talked about, what was the session like? We have known, we are familiar about these physical machines and my virtual machines, right?
Yes.
So yesterday also we have discussed about user, right? Your normal user and administrative user. So who is the administrative user here? We have who is the administrative user? What is the name of that user? Do you know? A super user, administrative user. Yesterday I told.
Privileged user.
Yes. What is the name of that user handle? So it is a root user, right?
Ah, yes,
So
root
yes.
user.
So except root user, whatever the users we have, that is known as non-privileged user, or we can say normal user, right? So for normal user, what should be the sign? This sign. Ragini, can you
For
tell me?
normal user, it will be dollar, and for admin,
Yes,
it will be
and
hash.
for the admin, it will be hash. Okay. So
Hash.
how can I open? So how many types of console we have?
Two types.
Two types. One is GUI, another is CLI. Correct? Graphical user interface, command line interface. So you in your real time, you're going to work with your only command line, right? So you need to remember all those commands, guys. Okay. Now, if I want to open my workstation machine with command line interface, what is the command we have?
Sorry.
If I want to open my workstation virtual machine, okay, let me
Okay.
check first the status. What is the status of my virtual machines? RST VMCTL status all, right?
Ah, yes.
If I will put status all, now I can see, guys, here I have server C and server D. That means I'm in which course code? Yesterday we have talked. If you're in RH294 course code, you will be having these two more virtual machines. So I'm now having 2 to 4 to 6 virtual machines I have. Okay. So if I want to open my workstation virtual machines, how can I open? It is in running state, right? If I want to open, yesterday I told, right?
View
RST VM
workstation.
view
Works.
workstation, exactly.
Yes.
If I will open workstation RST VM view workstation, then it will open the workstation virtual machine. Fine. Yes. So now let me open my workstation virtual machine. So in top of it is written as workstation virtual viewer, right? That means it is a virtual machine and it is workstation virtual machine. So guys, here we have this user, through which user you want to log into our workstation. I'm having DevOps, I'm having student user also. And if we're having any other users, suppose I want to log in with my root user, we are having this option called not listed also. If we will go through this not listed, then it will ask for what is the username you want to log in. So I want to put here as root. So which user I'm going to log in? Root user, right?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm putting the root user password I'm using as Redhat, guys. Okay. Okay. So wait some time. It will open your workstation virtual machine with the root user. Yes. I've logged in with root user. If I will go to this activities and I will open my terminal, here I'm having one option. So this is which terminal? Workstation terminal, right? Correct.
Yes.
Yes, if I will open this terminal, it will open your workstation terminal. Let's see how it look like. Okay, so now you can see here, guys. This is my workstation terminal, right? And which user I have logged in? What is the
Root
user it is
user.
showing? Root user.
Root
So
user.
as I'm logged in with my workstation, it is showing workstation virtual machine. Then this till mark is your present working directory. And as I've logged in with root user, it is hash mark, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So now, so we have how many? Okay, I have not discussed how many types of commands we have, right? Or I have
No.
discussed. Okay, so write it down. Types of command. Types of command. Monish, can you write those things, or else you will write later?
No, I can't write right now, but I'm
Okay,
listening. Yeah,
okay. No issues.
yeah, yeah.
Fine. Okay, so how many types of command do you know, Aragini?
Commands.
Yes.
Two types.
So what are those?
The graphical, those are
No,
unknown.
no. So there are two types of commands guys we're having. One is basic commands, another is administrative commands. Okay, write it down. Two types of
Yes.
command we have. Write it down. Two types of command we have. One is basic command, another is administrative command.
Okay.
Yes. So can you tell me what is basic command?
Mm, I have no idea.
Okay, fine. So listen. So basic command means what? This okay. Have you written two types of command we have? That is
Yeah.
basic and administrative. So
Yes.
basic command means what? So basic command means any user can execute that basic commands. Okay. So if you're having root user, if you're having kiosk user, student user, whatever the user you are logged in, it can execute the basic commands. Okay. But administrative command is what? The administrative command can only execute by the help of root user. Got
Okay.
it? Yes. So
Yes.
if you're logged in with root user, you can only execute the administrative command. If you're logged in with normal user, you can't execute the administrative user. Okay. But in case of basic commands, you can execute in root user as well as normal user also. Got it now? What is basic commands and what is administrative command? Fine. So write it down. Basic command can execute by any users. The basic command can be executed by any users, like normal user and your administrative user as well. Written?
Yes.
Yes. And what about our administrative user? Sorry, administrative commands. So write it down. Administrative commands can only execute by root user. Administrative command can only execute by root user. That is my super user, or you can say administrative user. So that it is named as administrative user. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will talk about some basic commands first, then we will go slow by slow. Okay, so first basic command we are discussing. So I'm logged in with my root user and in my workstation virtual machine. I'm going to tell the first basic command that I have. The first command is uname. Okay, no spaces. Guys, this Linux command are case sensitive. Okay, so how it is written, you need to write like that only. Okay, 1 second. Yes. Uh, Hello, Ajay, you there? Hello, Ajay, you there?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So I think I've called you, but your phone is not reachable. So okay.
Yeah,
So we
okay, no.
just yes, we just have discussed. We have recorded this session also. I can share to you to our WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
now we are discussing some basic commands. Okay. So just write it down. What is this basic commands? The first command I have written here as uname. Okay. I have logged in with root user and this is my workstation virtual machine. And the first command I am putting uname. If I will hit enter here, guys. So what is the output of this uname, guys? Linux. So what is that Linux?
Linux.
What is that Linux? That means which OS you are using. Okay, what is the operating system you are using? It can give by the help of uname command, and it is a basic command. Okay,
Okay.
write it down. Uname. It will give the output of which OS you are using. Okay. Now let's come to the second command. Uname hyphen R. Okay, before that uname hyphen A. So if you will put guys uname hyphen A, it will give all the details of that operating system. Like what is the operating system you're using, which machine you are using. This is the fully qualified domain name we have. See guys, you are having a nickname, you are having some full name, right? Like workstation is known as host name and workstation.lab.example.com, it is a full name, or you can say like fully qualified domain name. Okay, it is just a name. Okay, workstation.lab.example.com, and this is my kernel version, you know this. This one is what? Kernel version. This is date and time when this operating system, or this, sorry, this kernel was updated. Okay, and what is the bit I'm using? 64 bit, 86, 64. This is known as your architecture piece. In kernel, this two parts, it is, this part is known as your architecture, 86, 64. Got it? So uname hyphen a, it will give all details of your Linux, which your operating system, all details of operating system. That means when the kernel was updated, what is the version of this kernel, what is the architecture, everything it will show you. Uname hyphen a. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Then second thing, we will show you uname hyphen r. If I will put uname hyphen r, it will only give you the kernel version. What is the kernel version you are using? Uname hyphen r. Write it down. If you want to check only the kernel version, we are having this command uname hyphen r. Okay. Now the
So kernel version is a version for Linux. Like which version of Linux?
yes, which version of the kernel, not Linux. It is a version of kernel. Okay.
Okay, okay,
See, on total kernel part we are going to discuss in booting process. There is another chapter. It will We will
okay,
see
okay.
there what is the work of kernel, what
Okay,
is kernel. We will
can I have a rough line, like at least one small line? What is it?
see. Every machine has one kernel. Let me reboot the system. You can see that. Let me reboot the system. Uh, scripted. One second. Let me show you in my server A. Okay. Let me open my server A machine. We will go for the details of kernel in booting process, but let me show you where is that kernel. Okay?
Just a small definition of what kernel is and
It is just a core part of the OS. Okay, operating system. It is a core part. Like what is, so it will handle everything like the process. Okay, system D process. Guys, you will be confused if I will tell now, but
okay,
it will be good if you will listen in booting
okay,
process.
okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Okay, it's all right.
Huh,
It's all
huh,
right.
huh. Okay. So
Okay,
there is a chapter called booting process. We will discuss what is this kernel. Okay.
okay. So for
Huh.
now, its kernel is a main important
Yes,
uh,
main important thing in your operating system.
operating system. Okay, that's fine.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's discuss the third one. Let me log in with my root user. Password Red Hat. So the fourth command we are going to write as who am I? WHOAMI. So if you will put who am I, can you tell me, Ragni, what is the output of this one? It is out. It is showing the
Root.
output that root. That
Yes,
means
root.
which user you are
Admin.
logged. You can see which user you are logged in. Okay. If you will
Yes.
put who am I, it will show which user you are logged in. Then next, okay, note it down. Who am I? It will show you which user you have logged in. Okay. So next, have you written guys?
Yes.
Okay. Next command we will see PWD. Just we have discussed before. PWD means present working directory. Okay.
Right.
So what does that mean, present working directory, guys? So directory is nothing but folder. Okay. In Windows system we are telling folder, but in our Linux system we are telling directory. Okay. Just a folder. Okay. So what is my present working directory now, guys? Slash root. Okay. So where is it? Where in this cell prompt? Where is my directory? Present working directory. In which parameter? This parameter, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. This parameter is known as your present
Present.
working directory. That means I'm logged in with which directory? I'm logged in with which folder?
Root.
Slash root folder. Always say slash root it is. Okay, got it. So inside the slash root, suppose inside a folder there will be another folder or not? Inside a folder, yes.
Yes.
Inside a folder another file can be there or not?
Yes.
Yes. Now I'm logged in with which folder? I'm inside which folder? Slash root, correct?
Yes.
Present working directory is my slash root. Now if I want to check what are the files and what are the folders I have, we have to put your ls. So if I will put your ls, I can see in inside which folder, means inside slash root folder, what are the files and folders are there. Got it? If I will put ls, got it or not? Okay,
Yes.
let me show you in graphically, you can understand. Let me go to this activities and I will open this file. Graphically I'm showing you guys. So this is my slash root folder. Okay, let it open. Yes, so this one is my, guys, what is this one? Slash root folder. Inside the slash root I'm having desktop, documents, downloads, music, picture, public, videos, template, and those two are files, anaconda case.cfg, original case.cfg. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So same thing, if I want to check in command line, we need to put ls command. So if you will put ls, you can see all the files, all same files you can see, right? This is graphically I have shown you, and this is command line that I have shown you. Got it?
Yes.
So what is the command to list out all the files and folders inside a folder? ls command.
LS.
Yes, ls
So
command.
first we have to type PWD, then
No,
LS.
it doesn't require to type pwd. It means this is your directory, like present working directory, working directory symbol. If I want to
Okay.
come to this directory, suppose if I will come to this documents directory, okay, I have a
Okay.
command cd documents.
Okay. The CD documents. Okay.
Yes, if I
CDDO
will,
or document.
yes,
Okay.
documents. Now you can
Okay.
see this part came to documents, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, right now you are in which directory? You are in which folder?
Documents.
Documents. Documents.
No, you have to tell in full path. Document is where? Inside slash root.
Okay.
Yes or
CD
no?
documents.
No, no, I'm telling
CD
you. No,
CD
no.
documents.
Wait, no. Documents where? Documents is where? Documents,
Documents
it is in
is
slash
LS.
in
root.
LS.
No, it is not ls. ls is a command. Okay. ls is a command.
Okay.
This is my directory, correct?
Okay.
When
Okay.
in this my directory, I have put here ls, I can see the documents directory, correct?
Okay. Oh
Yes.
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 So in which directory there is documents? Inside the slash root
Root.
there is slash root.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Inside slash
Yeah.
root and
Slash. Yeah.
documents directory. Yes.
Yes.
Correct. If I will put your pwd, what should be the output? If I will put pwd, can you tell me?
Documents slash
No. Slash root slash documents, because inside slash root there is documents directory. Got it or not?
Okay. What's the full form of PWD?
Present working directory.
Present working directory. Okay. Fine.
Yes. Got it, Ragini? Manish, can you please mute yourself?
Yeah. Yeah.
So PWD, it will show you guys what is the present working directory you are logged in. So right now, if I will see here documents, so I'm in which directory? If I will tell you, what will be your answer? I'm in
Documents.
slash root slash documents. You have to tell with full path.
Full. Okay.
See, documents is here. In graphically, I'm showing you. See, this total is my slash root. This total is my slash root. Inside total slash root, I'm having this document.
Documents.
Correct?
Yes.
So you have to tell like full path slash root slash document. If I will go to the download page, sorry, download directory, I'm right now I'm in which directory? PWD. If I will tell present working directory, I'm in slash root. Correct?
Yes.
In slash root, I'm having the downloads directory or not?
Yes.
How can I go to the download directory? CD space capital
Space.
D. So how it is look like? See guys, download it is written as D capital, right? So I'm
Okay.
writing D capital like this. Download DOWN downloads. If I will put CD download, I'm in which directory, Ragini?
Slash root slash downloads.
Exactly. Thank you. Slash root slash downloads because downloads is in slash root
Root.
directory. Slash
Yes.
root, not root, slash root. Okay. Inside slash root, there is a download directory. Correct. Now, if
Yes.
I will tell you, okay, have you written the CD command?
No, no, just
Okay, just write it down. ls command and cd command. Azai, are you able to understand those things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is how can we change, we can change the directory. Okay. Okay, Ragini, now you will tell me how could I go to the templates directory?
templates. Okay.
Yes,
Now we are
I want
in
to,
downloads directory, so we need
I
to come
mean,
back.
no, you can directly also go through this templates directory. Templates is where
Root
it is in
slash root.
slash root. So
Yes.
we have to put cd slash root slash
Slash
then
template.
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 If I will moving to like, if I'm doing to like this, we can also go to the templates. Got
Okay.
it?
Yes.
Okay. So note it down also. This command also note it down. cd if we want to go through like inside the suppose template directory, I have another directory. So what will be the full path? Slash root slash template slash that other directory. Okay, Manish, here you have any doubt?
Yeah. I'm listening. I'm listening.
Do you have any doubt till this? So here I have just put here slash root slash template. Why? Because template directory it is in slash root, correct?
Okay.
Templates directory. So I have just put here cd slash root slash templates so that I can come back to my templates. So right now
Okay.
I'm in, if I will put pwd, it will show you slash root slash template.
Okay.
Got it? cd ls. Understood
Yes.
what is present working directory?
Yeah,
Yes.
present working directory. Yeah.
Yes.
To
Then
find out
next,
like where we. Yeah.
yes, in which directory I am in.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now if I will check in graphically, if I will tell you, I'm inside template directory, I want to see what are the files and folders are there. Graphically, how can I
Yeah.
see?
Double click.
Double click on it. Correct?
Click on
Yes,
templates.
double
Yeah. Click.
click on
Yeah.
this directory. We can see inside the template directory whatever the files and what are the folders are there. Okay, but in command
Yeah.
line what you have to do, you have to come to the templates directory and you have to put ls. Got it?
Ls. Okay.
Yes, we don't have any files and folders inside this template. Monish, can you please mute?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
No problem. Got it, Ragini? So
Yes.
graphically, if I want to see inside this template directory, just double click on it.
Double click.
It will open your directory. So it is showing folder is empty. You don't have any folder or file inside this. But if you want to check in graphic command line, you need to come to the template file. Then you have to put ls to check
Ls.
whatever the files and folders are.
Yes.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Now we are
Yeah. Can
having
I have full form of LS, please?
list out of files list.
List. Okay. LS means list. Okay. Fine.
Okay. So now I'm so if I will put cd, I want to come to slash root. What I have to do?
Which one?
I want to come to slash root.
PWD.
No,
Slash.
pwd it will give you the your present working directory. Now I told you that I want to come to my slash root directory. Now I'm in slash root slash templates directory, but I want to come to slash root directory. So cd slash root, correct?
Okay.
Yes. If I will put cd slash root, I can come to slash root directory, correct? because cd means change directory. Okay, cd full form is change directory. So if you are putting cd any directory name, you can come to that directory.
Okay, fine.
Got it?
Yes.
And guys,
Sorry, CD is change directory.
yes, change directory, change.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes. So if I will put cd slash root, I can come to the slash root directory. Got it?
Slash.
Yes.
Yes.
And one more thing, just write it down there. The slash root directory is also known as home directory of root user. Okay.
One.
The slash root directory is also known as home directory of slash root user. Home directory of root user. The slash root directory is also known as home directory of root user. It is a home directory. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, we will discuss the what is this home directory in file system. Don't worry. Understood till this? CD and LS. Okay.
Yes.
There's and one more thing if I will tell you here, I'm need to come to the desktop directory. Now I came to the desktop directory, right? My present working directory will be what? Slash root slash desktop, correct? Yes or no?
Mm,
Because inside the slash root there is desktop directory. If I will put ls, I don't have the file or folder inside the
mm,
desktop directory, right? Now if I want to come to the slash root directory, how can I come?
CD slash
cd slash root. But
slash
as
root.
yes, but as this is a home directory of root user, slash root is the home directory of root user. If you are not giving anything, just put cd. If you will put cd only, it will come to your home directory. Got it?
Mm,
Yes. If you are just putting cd, you can come to your home directory. Got it now?
okay. This is confusing.
Yes. So as I told you, slash root is a home directory of root user. Okay,
Okay.
slash root is a home directory of root user. So simply if you are writing only cd also, if you are logged in with any user, guys, if you are logged in with any user, just put cd, it will come to your home directory. Okay,
Okay.
home directory. So what is the home directory of root user? Just I told. What is the home directory of root user? Slash root.
Slash root.
Exactly, slash root. Okay, write it down. Cd if you were putting, then you can only cd if you are putting, you can come to your home directory. Okay. The next command we're going to talk about history. If I will put history, so can you tell me what is the output of this history command, guys?
We'll be getting all the details of the commands.
No, it is showing the previous command that we have executed,
Okay.
right? Yes, it is showing the previous command that we have executed. Like uname hyphen a. This is the first command I have told you, right?
Yes.
Uname hyphen a, uname hyphen r. And how can I check? It is the help of history command. It is a basic command, history command. Okay.
So I have a question. So in Linux, we have to like learn all these commands. Like we have to have everything
Yes,
in our mind. Like
yes,
for
yes,
which
yes,
thing, which command we have to use.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay,
But if you will practice, you can remember those things. Okay, it needs more
okay,
practice.
okay.
Yes.
That's fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so history command. Now, suppose if I want to execute again this one number command. So in one number, what is the command there? Uname, right? Yes.
Yes.
So I can see here that in first number command I'm having this command uname. So you don't need to put uname here directly. If you will put exclamatory then one, then it will give the that output. Can you see it is showing in uname, then it is showing the output limits.
Yes.
So you don't need to put again. So guys, this is required when you are having a large command, okay? And you will put their history you are written previously. You no need to write it again. Just put their exclamatory, then the number. It will show you that output. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So exclamation, then the number. In which number the command is. Okay. Now, if I want to clear the history, I don't want those histories. Let me clear the history. We are having this command history hyphen c. It will clear all the histories.
Okay.
History hyphen c. Now, if I will check history, it won't show anything except history because right now I have used history command, right?
History.
S T R
Yes.
O Y. So can you see it is? only showing, sorry, HIST.
Spelling.
So only it is showing those two history. Here I have given a wrong history command, and here I have given the
Present.
okay.
Yes.
So history command, we can see the previous command that we have executed, history hyphen c. It will clear all the previous commands. Okay. Then guys, we have a command called host name. Host name, HOSTNAME. If we will put host name here, guys, we can see what is the host name, means which machine you are logged in, workstation.lab.example.com. It is known as also fully qualified domain name. Okay. As I told you, we are having a nickname, we are having a full name like this. So workstation is my virtual machine. It is, and workstation.lab.example.com, it is just like a full name. Okay. And it is also known as fully qualified domain name. Fully qualified domain name. Okay. Then next command, if we will see, so you know guys, every typical machine you have one IP address, right?
Yes.
Internet protocol. So your phone, your laptop, every machine is one having your IP addresses. Like, so if I want to check what is the IP address of my workstation virtual machine, we're having this command, hostname hyphen I. If I will put hostname hyphen I, so it is giving the IP address. What is this IP address? 172.25.250.9. Correct?
Yes.
So write it down. So we are having four commands to check the IP addresses, guys. This is the first command I have told you, hostname hyphen I. Then secondly, if I will put if config, it is another command. We can also check the IP address. Have you written this command? Hostname hyphen I.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if I will
To
put
check the IP
if
address.
yes, if config, if you will also put, it will give the output that IP address also. You can
IPv4.
see here. No, it is if config. If config, if you will put, you can also see the IP address of that machine. So where it will check, where you can check here. This is my device, and this is my IP address of that machine, workstation. Okay, and another command, if I will tell you, okay, so write it down, if config, first name hyphen I, if config. Then next command I'm telling, to see that IP address only, the command is IP space A. If we're putting IP space A also, you can see the IP address. So where it is, here, 172.25.250. Okay.
Space.
Yes, and another command, IP space adder, ADDR. If I will put IP space adder also, I can check the IP address. So how many commands I have told you to check the IP address? Four.
4.
Hostname hyphen I, if config, IP adder, IP space A. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
So now we will talk about the next commands, alias. So what is this alias? Let's check. Is just alias is just a duplicate command. Okay. Suppose uname, I'm having a command. What is the output of this uname command? Linux. What is the operating? What is the OS you are using? Yes. Suppose if I will tell you, if I will write your Himanshu, should it give any output? So what it is showing is command not found, right? There is no Himanshu command. But if you want to make Himanshu command, we are having a command, we're using alias. Alias. It is, we can use a duplicate command. Okay. Duplicate command. So how I'm going to use alias, then which command you want to use, I'm putting Himanshu. Then so which command you are using, so for uname command. Okay, for uname. Now enter. So what it had done, then Himanshu command, it works, it will give the output, that the same output is, it is given by this uname. Got it or not? Let me put, you can understand. If I will put Himanshu command now, can you tell me what will be the output? What will be the output of this Himanshu command now? It will give the output as same as your uname.
Not sure.
No, it will give the output of uname. Uname means Linux. Can you see here?
Okay.
It is given Linux output. Why? Because
Okay. Okay.
we have made here
Okay.
as a
Okay.
duplicate command of
Himanshu
uname.
is Unix.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Himanshu is a duplicate command of uname. Uname is the original command
So
and
so
Himanshu.
Alliance, if you write whatever name also, it will show as Linux.
Yes, yes, yes. If I putting alias monis equals to uname, it will give. If I will put monis, it will give the output Linux.
Okay.
Okay. So if you will put him monis equals to host name. Okay, let me put it here. Alias monis equals to host name. Enter. Now, if I will put monis, what will be the output, guys?
Workstation.
Workstation.lab.example.com.
Example.
Got it now?
Yes.
Yes. So now I suppose I don't want this Himanshu command. I want to unalias it. Okay, I want to remove this Himanshu command. So we are having this command called unalias. Unalias, then Himanshu. Okay, now if I will unalias it, then again if I will use Himanshu command, it will show command not found. Got it?
Give
Yes.
me 2 minutes. I'll write
Yes,
it down.
write it down. Yes, please. So alias and unalias. Written? Okay. Now, if I want to open a tab, okay, if I want to open a terminal, how could I open this? There is a shortcut key called, okay, before that I will check. There is a command called clear, C-L-E-A-R, clear. It will clear your terminal. Let's see. Can you see it? The cursor is came to up and we don't have anything inside this terminal. So what is the command for that? Clear, okay, C-L-E-A-R. Just put clear, it will clear the terminal. Got it? And also we can use shortcut key called control L. Write it down there. Clear command you can use, otherwise you can also use control L. It will clear the terminal. Written this?
Yes.
Okay. Then we will see there is a shortcut key to open one more terminal. Okay. Right now I'm using one terminal. Likewise, if you're using Google Chrome, you're opening one more tab like this. Okay. So to open one more terminal, we are having this shortcut key called Control Shift plus T. If you're using Control Shift T, see this is the first terminal and this is my second terminal. Got it? You can use a lots of terminal over here. Control Shift T, then third terminal. Control Shift T, then fourth number terminal. Got it? Control plus Shift plus T. At a time you need to put. There is a
Control
shortcut.
plus
Shift, Shift.
shift plus
Yes. T for title.
T. Okay.
Control Shift T. It will open one more terminal. Okay. So Ragini, you will tell me that in which directory I am in. What is the
Which
present directory, present working directory right now?
/root.
Exactly, slash root. If I want to check what is the if I want to check what is the files or folders inside the slash root,
Um,
list out ls.
ls.
Yes, ls. Okay. Now suppose I'm having, guys, here I'm having the directory within blue color and file it is in white color. Okay. So can you tell me inside a folder, can I add any folder? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Inside a folder, can I add any file? Yes or no?
Yes.
Inside a file, can I add any folder?
No, no.
No, not at all. Yes. So, okay, fine. Now, if I want to open this Anaconda case hyphen sys, okay, before that we will see in graphically. So this is my slash root page and I'm having those two files. If I want to open this file, how could I open? Just double click on it, right? If I will double click on it, it will open the text editor and this is my contents. Inside the file, these are the contents, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Now we will see those contents. How can I see in command line method? Okay. So this is the way we have used as graphically, but we have to use command line, right? So let's see
Yes.
what is the command we are using to open a file. Let's see. So let me come to the terminal. There is a command called as cat, then the file name. So there are several commands we have also. We will read after this 2 to 3, after 2 to 3 days we can familiar with that also. So generally, as you are a beginner, I'm telling you the cat command. Okay. So cat, then that file name, we can see the contents. So those contents are inside the anaconda-case.cg. Got it? The same contents, whatever the contents I have seen in graphically, those contents I can see in command line method also. So what is the command? Cat, then the file name. Write it down. Cat command, it helps to open or to view a file, to view the contents of a file. It will give a view of contents of the file. Guys, here we don't have to write anaconda. Okay, just put here ANA and use here tab. If you will use tab button in your keyboard, it will again it will come this file name. Okay, ANA, then put tab, it will come this one. Okay, if I will hit enter, I can see those contents inside the file. Got it, got it, right? Okay, fine. Now, if I will see, I want to check the first 10 lines of the file. Okay, before that, how many lines inside that file? If I want to check, we're having this command wc-l. wc-l, then the file name, it will show you how many lines inside that file. So, how many lines? 245 lines. Okay, 245 lines inside that anaconda case. Okay, written.
Yes.
Now, if I want to check how many words I have, if I want to check how many words I have, wc-w, then anaconda case.ch. How many words it will say? So it is having 751 words only.
Oh, Himanshu, can you give me 2 minutes? I'm getting a call.
Yes, yes, sure.
Thank you, Himanshu. I'm done.
Okay.
Sorry that
So
was the office call.
yes, if you will, okay, no problem. So if you will put wc-w, we can check how many words inside that file. If you will check wc-c, then the file name, it will show you how many characters inside that. So I'm having 6,947 characters inside that. Okay.
1 minute. I'm noting. W means what is it?
Words. How many
What?
words?
Words.
Word.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
C means.
Characters.
Oh. Yes.
Now, if I want to see the first 10 lines, the first 10 contents of this file, we are having this command called head. Head, then the file name. If I will put head, then the file name, it will show you the first 10 lines of that file.
Okay.
So same thing, if I want to see the last 10 lines, we are having this command tel. Then anaconda happens. Okay, so if I will put tail here, it will show you the last 10 lines. So same thing, if I want to check the first 20 lines, we're having this command head hyphen 20, then the file name. If I will put head hyphen 20, it will show you the first 20 lines. Okay, same thing, if I want to check the last 20 lines, head tail hyphen 20, then the file name.
Oh.
Okay, so next to that, we're having SU hyphen. Okay, so in graphically, how can we switch the user, guys? This is my workstation machine. Here we have to log out and we have to log in with another user, correct? Here if I will click on this, if you have to log out. If you will do log out, then it will log out. You have to switch the user. There was DevOps student was there, right? I have shown you in the past. Not listed, we have came, then we have put your root. But now if I want to switch to the student user, command line, in command line we're having this command su space hyphen space, then the username. Okay, student user. So now which user I am logged in? Student user. And what is the mark here? Dollar mark.
Okay.
Got it? Now if I want to again come to my root user, you have to put exit. And if you are not putting this exit also, okay, just write it down. I will su space hyphen space username, you can switch the user. Okay, and if you will put exit, you can come back to the root user again. Let's see, exit, it will log out from the student user and it will come back to the root user. Got it? Okay, did you get it or not?
Yes.
So again I'm putting su happen student, I can come to the student user. Otherwise you can also use control D, guys, control D to log out. Okay, control D, the shortcut. If you're not putting exit, just put there control D, it will also exit from there. It will log out from the student user and it will log into the root.
Log out or what will it do?
No, I am putting a control D. It is automatically written as logout. I have put it here
Oh.
control D only. Okay, control D to log out. And some basic commands we are also having this date. These commands are not required. So date command to check the dates. Then date plus percentile small r. It will show you the timing, which with AM or PM. If you will put capital R, it will show you the timing without showing any AM or PM. Okay, these are the basic commands we have used. Okay,
Okay.
got it now?
Hello. After date menu, what is it? Plus.
This is a command. Okay, these are the options we have. Plus percentile R. Plus
Menu, what is it
percentile.
for?
Just to check what is the date. Only timing it will show you. If I'm putting plus
Okay.
percentile smaller, if I'm putting plus percentile capital, it will show you the time without showing any M1 PN.
Okay.
That is the
First one
difference,
is R
guys.
and second one is R.
Capital R,
Small R
this
and
is small
capital
r
R.
capital, yes, but it is
Okay.
not
Okay. Okay.
required,
Fine.
guys.
Fine.
It is not required. Okay, just it is in
Okay.
command thing. So you have to.
Okay.
Again, we also have this cal command, cal. If you will put cal, it will show you the calendar. Okay, cal command. Yes, but those things are not required, guys. Okay. Okay, fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so those are the basic commands, guys, we have discussed now. So what is this basic commands? Those commands can also executed by the any user, right? Those basic commands what I have told you now, those commands are also executed by any users. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now we will see some editing command lines. Write it down, editing command lines. After this, we will end the session. Then not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will discuss file system hierarchy. Okay, write it down.
What about administrative commands?
Administrative commands we will discuss. Okay, don't worry for that.
Okay.
Okay, user management, group management, all the commands we are going to use in administrative. Okay, what is the administrative command? It can only execute by root
Only
user.
admin.
Yes,
Yes.
only root. Okay, but normal user can execute normal uh, commands or basic commands can be executed by normal users as well as administrative
Admin.
users. Okay.
Yes.
Now we will see some editing command line. Just give a heading. So there are four options we have. Let's see what is this editing command lines. Okay. So guys, here as you're a beginner, you are learning this basic commands like like one command is uname hyphen r. These are the small commands, right? But when you will go ahead, there will be a 4 to 5 lines command you will also learn. Okay, 4 to 5 lines. Are you getting my point? 4 to 5 lines command you are going to learn lines. So there is a command. You don't worry for this command. Suppose I'm putting firewall hyphen cmd hyphen permanent. This is the command I'm putting. Permanent space hyphen art hyphen service equals to http. Suppose I'm putting. Don't worry for this command. Okay. This is the large command, correct? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So now, yes, I have written here. Suppose this firewall I have not written. I have written in if. Suppose I have not written here if. Okay. So if you're writing a big command, then you will come like you have to press this left arrow key again and again to come back to your first one. Correct? Yes or no? Now I came to this I and I will put here F. That is firewall. Now suppose I came to the end and I will see that in first line I have skipped that F. Now I want to come back to my that line like in the past command firewall, right? It is the beginning of the line. So how could we come to the beginning of the line? By pressing Control plus A. You can come to your beginning of line, beginning of the command. Got it?
Okay.
Yes. If you will, if you're having a large command, if you're doing mistake in begin, so you can put Control A. You can the cursor will directly move to your beginning of the command. Okay. So write it down. If you will put Control plus A, jump to the beginning of line. Control plus A. So same thing. Suppose I have rectified this one that I've given F. Now I want to come back to that HTTP. Let me put Control E. If you will put Control E, the cursor will move to the end of the line. Got it? Control A to come to the first line. Control E to come to the last.
Control A to the first line and control
E. E for
E
end.
to the last line.
Yes.
End. Okay.
Then if I will here in my art service, okay, let me come to this hyphen. If I will put Control U, yes, Control U. So what happened? Can you tell me? If I put it here, Control U, it clear everything till the cursor, right? From the beginning to till the cursor. Yes or no? If I'm putting Control U, got it or not? Let me put it again. CMT, permanent. Okay. Now my cursor is where? Hyphen, right? In
Middle.
hyphen. Yes. In hyphen. I'm having that cursor. If I will put control U, it will remove from the fast to till cursor. From the beginning of the line to till cursor.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, if I will put control U, you can see
Okay.
there it is removed. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So control U. And the opposite is what? Control plus K. Let me show you with control plus K also. I can CMD permanent. So guys, don't worry for this command. This command we are going to learn in firewall. Okay, large command we are going to use. So now if I will put guys control plus K, so what it will do? Control plus K, it will remove
The
or it
entire
will erase, not entire, it will erase from the cursor to
from
till
the
end.
hyphen.
From the hyphen means
The
from the hyphen to till STTP.
end. Yes.
PPP. From the cursor to till the end. Got it? If I put
Yes.
control K, so these are the four options we are using to edit our command lines. Okay.
Yes.
So guys, I'm ending the session here. Okay. As we have only 3%, so rest of the people are not also joining. So we will share. I will share this recorded session in WhatsApp group. Okay, you can
Okay, sir.
also visit that. And
Yeah.
so tomorrow we don't have any class. Directly after tomorrow, same time, 8 o'clock. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Manish. You there?
thank you.
Okay, everybody, have a nice
Yeah.
weekend.
Yeah. Thanks
Yeah,
so much.
bye. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.